$55. 55 bucks, man. 30% off on top of that, man. All right, PG3 siding, guys. 90 bucks. 90 bucks, and you get that 30% off. And you get OBJs. OBJs, you guys. Pegasus Turbos. These are like the most comfortable shoes that Nike makes. That's crazy, guys. I wish I'm once. Nike Shox Enigma. Look at the reflectives, and that is dope. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, we're back to do another video, guys. Back at that Nike outlet again. Back at the Nike outlet out in Citadel. I've mentioned this quite a few times. This is the most packed Nike outlet in Los Angeles. So yeah, let's go see what's up, you guys. Let's go see what's up. It is currently 9:50, so we had to get here before it opens. See, when I tell you guys need to get there early. This is why, you guys. So it's the competition right here. We got here 10 minutes of still chilling, you guys. 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes. Right? Line's growing longer too. Look at this. Line's growing longer. Dang. All right, they're opening up, you guys. They're opening up. Let's see what's up. Let's see what they got, you guys. Let's see what they got. They still got these Dornbreaker Zoom flies. Going for retail. Got some Kobe 4 Protros. Oh man, I love this. Love this colorway too. It's a brand new one. Going for retail, you get that 30% off though. 30% off the clearance wall. There's some interesting slides. I've never seen these slides before. Look at that. Not bad. I've never seen these. Interesting. Go for 20 bucks. 30% off. What's that come out to? What? $14? Dang. Dang, look at this. Air Force One high suedes, man. 40 bucks, man. So for like $30-something, man. $30-something. That's crazy. I'm just kind of jumping around because it is already crazy packed here. Man, look at this. Pegasus Turbo Shields. Never even seen these. Sorry. These are interesting as hell. The Zoom Turbo, you guys know, one of the best cushioning systems. But yeah, this is like a shield version, the winterized version. That's crazy. Crazy. Going for retail. Get that 30% off. They do got a lot of heat. Look at this. The Proto Reacts, man. $55. 55 bucks, man. 30% off on top of that, man. We got to look at this one. Got some SBs, Nike Dunk Highs. Oh, this is interesting. This is very interesting. Let's see what's up. They're going for retail though, so I don't know how much retail is going to be involved in this one. Got some 270s, the Mars 270s, going for retail. Cool colorway, not bad. It's a size 10. I thought we got another pair of the Dornbreakers, but it's the same one over there. Someone just moved the box. Got the Tailwinds, 70 bucks. Damn, what's up with these? Not bad. Well, I should look at these. Not 30% off on top of that. This place is crazy, guys. This is crazy. I don't see it this busy. Oh, actually, this one's always this busy. You don't see most of the outlets this busy, but this one always is busy. Oh, these Proto Max 720s. And they're down to 110. 120. Get that 30% off too on top of that, dang. Do the math. I'm sorry, I'm too lazy to do the math. I did forget to show what I'm rocking. I'm rocking my $35 Giannis, the Greek Freeze. Found these at the clearance center, 35 bucks. All right, I've seen these Ebernon lows in the size 12s. Ebernon lows, man, I've seen these a few times. They're not terrible, you guys. They are not, especially for a super budget model. Not terrible. These is going for what, 50 bucks? 50 bucks. 30% off on top of that. Dang, dude, $35. Did I show this? I just picked one of these up. These little posits. Little posits, size 7, dude. Size 7, going for retail though. These are crazy. These are crazy, dude. These are dope. Look at these. That, dude, I love that little hit of orange right there. The white and black. What's that, splatter paint? I don't know what that is, but yeah, it looks dope. It's dope. Get 30% off. 30% off 180. kind of just running around everywhere, trying to avoid the crowd, you guys. But yeah, it's not happening. They got the Joyrides. The Joyrides. That's the original colorway going for retail. With 30% though, it's not shabby. Not shabby. What are these? The CC? Oh, the OBJs. OBJs, you guys. Beckhams. These are kind of weird. Oh yeah, this is the one that comes with different. Is that a lace strap? Different type of strap, and you get to change them. Oh, not bad. Going for retail though. Retail. The retail is what, 200? All right. Crazy. 30% off. Oh, we got some Neymars. Dang, these are small as hell though. Some Neymars. Dang, that is dope though. Dope. It's about to fall out of my hand. And these bad boys going for what? $119. That's a really good price. Size is small, so but really good price. Got some more shocks. Got some more shocks. These don't look as dope as the Neymars. Much rather have the Neymars. Yeah, 7.5. Going for retail. We saw 4.5 of these earlier. This is size 5 too. All right, PG3 siding, you guys. $90. $90, and you get that 30% off. And you get the 30% off. Not bad. So it's at $27 off. That's what, 50 some dollars. Damn. Let me know if my math is correct. No, $63. $63 for some PGs. That's legit. All right, we do have a few things that I might try to resell. Yeah, we're gonna check out that resale math in a few minutes. We're in the size 11s. Yeah, I'm just walking around. Sorry, you guys, kind of everywhere. But yeah, PSGs, you guys. I'm actually a huge fan of these PSGs, man. These are dope. Underrated, just because they're not super rare. PSGs do look super nice. Super nice. I like you guys see the 2 right here and the 3 right there. Supposedly on this side it's an M and a J. Supposedly the M is right here at the M, and there's a J right there. But yeah, supposedly, kind of can see it. There's a 2 right here and the 3 right here. So yeah, these look dope though. I am a fan of these. What do they go for? Size 11, so obviously I can't get them. But yeah, go for retail. You do get that 30% off. I think retail's $225. So you get it for what, $150 something? Not bad. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead, press that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you guys know when new videos come. I do drop a whole lot of videos, so always got content coming for you guys. Let's continue on. We're in the size 12, you guys. Size 12s. Spiz Ikes. See, these ain't bad. I usually just like the signatures, but the silhouette looks decent. The green, man, the green just kills it for me. But yeah, $60, and you get 30% off. Dang. Jordan 16 trainers, 110. Dang, that's what's up. $80. All right, this is Veterans Day weekend, so the sales are crazy today. Look at this. You get an additional 20% off. These 97s, not bad. These up tempos, man. And this brings it down to under $90. This is probably like what, 89 bucks? Just not a huge fan of the colorway. Even as a Laker fan, I'm still not the hugest color. I like the Bulls colorway one better. These are finally under 100. Plenty of sizes. Dang, 20% off everything. Not bad, you guys. These are the Air Max 2s. Air Max 200s, man, already on sale, man. The silhouette hasn't even been around that long. Okay, not bad. This one's on sale as well. All right, this one is missing, so yeah, let's see what these are. Some sort of Air Max Plus. Oh, okay, yeah. We've seen these before. Kind of whatever about them. You saw my last video from this, from the Nike outlet Citadel. This is where they had the Chinese New Year's, man. All gone. All the gold boxes are gone, man. But, friends and family, I guess people picked it up for 30% off. But yeah, LeBron Witness 3, $70. More Witness 3s. The Mamba Rage going for $50. Which colorway is this? The all black one, $50. No additional discounts, huh? He's going for a little bit more. Those going for 70 bucks as well. Fly traps, 60 bucks. We've seen these for this price, so not a great deal. Then the Air Max 97 clots. Man, these made it under 100. Crazy. These are close to 100. Both of these got all kinds of sizes. All kinds of sizes. Dang, that's why they keep going down and down. One of these was like 200 when we first saw these here. Dang, the sales are crazy this weekend. Crazy this weekend. It is, what is it, Veterans Day weekend? So in the United States, obviously for you guys in other parts of the world, don't have this holiday, but yeah, man, sales are crazy, man. Everything in the aisles are on sale as well. Wow, 70 bucks with the box and everything, you guys. Wow, for the Pegasus Turbos, these are like the most comfortable shoes that Nike makes. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. Been wanting one, but man, I don't know if I could afford it. Got plenty of other stuff. Going to green too, man. That's what's up. All right, so I'm gonna have to let these go. I thought about it, did the math. Yeah, it'd probably be about 140. I'd have to spend like 140, and yeah, it'd be like a $30 profit on like 140. So I'm not a big fan of. Oh, sorry about that. Not a fan of spending that much for that profit. You know, I'm more about spending $100 or $80 to make it 30 bucks. But yeah, so I'm gonna let these go. We are gonna purchase these, so we're gonna flip these bad boys. We are checking out the women's section. Yeah, in the guys section they had all kinds of deals, but the women's kind of looking whatever, dude. Winflow 5s, 55. Pegasus 34s, man, that's not that great of a deal. 70 bucks. Zoom Turbos 130. The guys were going for what, 70 bucks? Dang, that's crazy. Or $80. Guys were going for 80, I think. These are a deal, but what the hell are these? The Flex Contact 3s? Light as hell though. Light as hell, you know, you got that flex cushioning, so. But yeah, man, cheap as hell, but I don't know what they are. That's your thing though. That's your thing, not bad. Metcons. Yeah, I see the price kind of high for the women's section today. More Metcons. 98s going for 100. That's not terrible. Really? Come on now. Going for retail. Come on now, man. That's crazy. Let's do it. Fight through the crowd. Check out the clearance section. Okay, see, that's not bad. Not bad. 110 for the lady foam posits. Not bad. 110. You get 30% off too. 70 bucks, 30% off for the Elements. Not bad. See, it's getting better now. Odyssey React, man, that's a real good deal for running shoes. Not bad. Oh, we've seen these a few times. Nike Shox Enigma. Oh, sorry. We've seen these a few times. Look at this. I wish I'm once. Nike Shox Enigma. Look at the reflectives on that. Is dope. That's real dope. I like the fact that the Shox part in the back is orange, kind of sticks out. That's awesome. Go for retail, 135. Get 30% off though. Not bad. We've seen these before. These are dope. 40 bucks, man. 30% off on top of that. Got some Air Force One. Comes with some boost. Get you a little bit of height. Get you 2 inches of height. Boost your height a little bit. 70 bucks, 30% off. We've seen these a bunch of times. Going for retail though. But yeah, not bad. Those look dope though. Got a few different ones. Going for what, 119? Oh, okay. That one says 119. That one says 139. So we're gonna go with 119. Get 30% off on top of that. Wow, these look like the dopest find of the day. So we're gonna take a little thumbnail. Okay, 135 for these. 20, 30% off. Dang, these features really going for 150? What? That's surprising as hell. Okay. Nobody's buying features, are they? I don't know. Got 30% off retail, I guess. But that's pretty much about it with the women's section, you guys. Surprise, you guys. We are having a giveaway during this video. All right, so what's up for grab is you can have one of these Michael Jordan bronze Funko Pops. or you could have this size large t-shirt from the Nike outlet. To be eligible, you guys need to be following me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel as well. In the comment section, let me know your Instagram screen name and let me know whether you want the Funko Pop or you want the t-shirt. And hopefully on the video on Monday, I'm gonna randomly choose someone using a specific website, and I'll let you guys know who the winner is. All right, guys, make sure you guys let me know your Instagram screen name and whether you want a Jordan Funko Pop or the t-shirt. Good luck, you guys. You guys have till Sunday at 8 a.m. to make sure you guys leave me a comment. If you guys don't win this specific giveaway, don't worry, because we still got more giveaways coming out before the end of the year. Still got 2 more Funko Pops. I'll still have t-shirts. I'm still going to purchase a few other things to give away. All right, we're in line, you guys. We're in line. Most of you guys who've been with me for a while know I don't resell that much. So, yeah, it's kind of scary, you know, spending, you know, $100 trying to make $30, $40. But, hey, you don't win. Don't win if you don't play. And I did sell some SBs last night for, I think I made like 40 bucks off of those. So, yeah, let's keep it going, you guys. Go pay for these bad boys. All right, man, they had some heat, you guys. Now that this dang Friends and Family is over, man, they got stuff, man. They got stuff. So you guys need to hit out these outlets, man. Deals was nuts. Make sure you get there early. Got the Nike Dunk. I'm gonna throw these bad boys on GOAT as soon as I get home. Oh shit, I might do it in my car before I get home. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like these type of videos, go ahead and make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe, press that notification on. If you are new to my channel, if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, for supporting, commenting, all that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the content and hope you guys stick with me in the future. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.